Welcome to EMS Consulting Group's Lean Virtual Training. This brief video is designed to explain how our virtual programs work. My name is Darren Dolchmoscolo, President of EMS Consulting Group. All of our virtual courses include 3 to 4 key elements. First, there will be online audio-visual presentations. These require you to log in to our e-learning system and go through them between live sessions. Next, there will be several live sessions of 2 hours each. During these sessions, participants will be engaged in applying key concepts. These sessions will utilize breakout rooms so that small groups of 4 to 6 participants will be able to collaborate on assignments during class using virtual whiteboards and other templates. Thirdly, at the end of the training, participants will take a multiple choice test to demonstrate their knowledge gained. Some courses, such as our Lean certification program, require completion of a project as well. This is what the e-learning system looks like when we go to the website. You will receive login instructions when you are enrolled in the course or after the first live session, depending on the course. After you have logged in, you will enter your course. There are several chapters. Each chapter includes audio-visual modules to watch between sessions. In the e-learning system, each lesson has a short video to watch. There are practice quiz questions after some of the video lessons. These are not graded but will help you prepare for the types of questions that will be on the final test. Under the lesson entitled Course Slides and Notes, you can download a reference PDF that includes slides and notes that correspond to all of the e-learning videos you will watch. This is yours to keep after the class has been completed as a reference. Some courses are available for registration as an individual or small group, but all of them are available to be customized for our clients as needed. If you prefer fully self-paced training without the live sessions, we offer those e-learning courses as well. If you haven't already contacted us regarding our virtual training, visit our website at emsstrategies.com and click Contact Us if you have questions, or simply register for an available course.